Dang! Holy shit, Gabe!
You know, if you don't have purple power in your garage, you don't have a garage. If you don't have samurai swords in your garage, you don't have a garage. You don't have a bullwhip in your garage. I don't know why Cole has a bullwhip in his garage, but that doesn't belong in a garage.
It's terrifying.
Alright, get that thing out of here. Oh my gosh.
Harness. Ooh, VRF designs. I also got this in the mail. Some patches that I'm going to put on my race suit. So let's take a look at this. This is for our COP, coil over plug, into my Link ECU. Got a intake air temp sensor. This is for a GM with harness. That's gonna plug into the Link ECU also. But yeah, overall looks good. Here, this crossbar. I'm gonna take this off, intercooler piping off, maybe do some cleaning, take off spark plugs. I have some 1ZZ coils that I'm going to replace it with. I'm going to remove AFM that no one likes. Alright everyone, I just got these installed. I'm not going to run a bracket right now, just going to let it run right now the way it is. Don't know how I'm going to run it or mount it on the valve cover yet, but I might just weld some nuts or something right over here to mount these, make it look super clean, or just get the Racer X bracket, but just this alone makes it look super clean and modern. So I want it right about right there. That's where I'm going to put my intake air temperature sensor. Right up there.
Hey guys.
Right, next we are going to drill a hole for this and install that intake air temperature sensor. So let's go get some tools for that.
Sit on the engine?
No.
What do you mean no? What do you mean no?
Said no.
Yes. Make sure it's perfect. Unlike when you guys work on my car, it's all sloppy as shit.
What'd you say?
Because you're sloppy.
What'd you say?
I said you do sloppy work.
Got wiring in. Here's my Link ECU. Had to splice in for an auxiliary for my tach. that's all done right there. Over here, like I said, AFM is out. Don't worry about this dongle. I'm gonna get a cap for that in a little bit. That's in, coils are in, wired up. I'm gonna clean it up as soon as everything is running, starting. I need to get my timing light out. Also, what I got right now is I have my laptop ready for Rich from VRF to go ahead and calibrate everything on my car. Just waiting for him to connect. I don't know if you can see this, but Rich is connected to my laptop right now. So that means he is ready to set my car up. I'll get my key out. There she goes.
Are you having to give it a little bit of throttle or no?
No throttle. It's all, I'm not giving it any throttle. Running. Car is running. And you said it's a little lean right now?
Yeah, it's a little lean. I'll move that straight out here in a second.
Okay. So you said the tax probably not gonna work until until you put it or assign it, right? Maybe.
Yeah, you know what? Actually, you know what I'd like to do is let's put a timing light on it right now.
Okay, 1 second.
So I'm filming.
Am I good?
And we're logging.
Am I good?
What? Ah. What's wrong, Gabe? What are you doing, Cole?
Gonna drive my car.
Why do you look black?
Cause I'm dark.
Nothing wrong with you being dark. It's
I'm a
just
dark
you make
Filipino.
us look really white.
Because you guys are really white.
Compared to you, yeah. There's my baby. Aww. It's like,
What do you think?
good, I like it. I like it. Your suspension feels really nice. I think my bushings might be bad, honestly. 'Cause your car feels really smooth. Gabe. Gabe.
Yeah.
Dude.
Gabe.
What?
Gabe.
Feels good?
Yeah. Yeah, it feels good.
Dude.
You can take me for a ride now?
Yeah.
Oh, he sounds like a little kid. Can I go for a ride?
So it's super responsive. It peaked at 14 psi.
Oh shit.
AFRs were good. It just felt good all the way around.